guys, I want some video of you playing now. Look at this. Here we are. Oh, there's Boda. No, it's good. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Well, we're at Grandma Lee's.
Maybe we could take it out of that middle.
There's Malia, and there's Mary, and there's Paul, and there's Lindsay.
Throw them against.
Yes, I am.
Great.
This is going to be on YouTube.
Yeah, I know.
There it is. And here's Rihanna. Hey, Rihanna, let's see Precious. There's Papa's Precious. Is she doing good?
Yes, she
She is. Oh.
Say hi, Papa.
And then here's Mom, Grandma Lee, Mom in the kitchen. What are you making, Mom?
Hi, sweetie.
You're making everything, and there's Joan.
No, it's nice and hot.
What you making, honey?
Sweet potatoes.
Yay! Okay, what don't we have here?
I'll be better in a minute, sir.
That's all right, Mom. And then we got turkey over here, and
All right, so since this is
kind
hot,
of, this is a really nice,
I'll just leave a little bit on.
open, airy
Set it here for now.
place outside. And then I'll show you a little bit outside, quick. Oh yeah. We're outside. Snow everywhere. It's winter wonderland here. As much as St. Cloud, but colder. Further north. Mike, I'm making a video. What are you doing? Let me see. Brother Mike.
Huh?
Here. Say hi.
I always keep it flat. You know?
Here, Mike. Say hi. We're doing a video.
Hey, hi.
Hey, there you go. So you're fixing the truck. Steve and Donna are going to stay over there. That'll be real good for them with Maggie and Hannah. And then this is really a nice area of homes. And across the street is Detroit Lakes. Huge lake back there. So we're blessed. Bye. Aloha.